sew this completely reversible swimsuit top, we will cut the bust piece in 2 pieces of nylon spandex fabric in one color and 2 in another. Fabric A and fabric B. The back is made of a single piece and we will cut it once in fabric A and once in fabric B. We also need 1/4 inch or 6mm elastic. This is very important because the elastic will give stability to the piece. The first step is to sew the dart. In this case, we have 4 darts. 2 of fabric A and 2 of fabric B. Let's arrange the pieces with right sides together. Sew them using a zigzag or an overlock. I will sew the whole top using an overlock, but as you know, you can also sew it with a regular sewing machine using a zigzag stitch. For more information, please refer to my other videos about how to sew elastics using a regular sewing machine and tips on sewing swimsuits and spandex fabrics. Now we will sew the shoulders. We will join the back piece in color 1 with the front shoulders piece in color 1. And then we will repeat the process with the other fabric, sewing in the 4 shoulders. Now we open the shoulders and place them front and back of one color, right sides together. We will sew along the armhole and along the neckline. The next step will be sewing the elastics. Instead of starting in the beginning, we will look for the dot in the pattern and we will start from that mark. Why are we doing this? Because this will enable us to tie the knot more easily. If we had elastic in this area, it would be too thick to tie the knot at the front. When attaching elastic, we will not stretch them. We will just sew using a zigzag or overlock all around the edge until we reach the other notch. Also attach the elastics around the armhole area. Here we will begin 1/4 inch away from the edge instead of on the border. And we will do the same on the other end. When attaching the elastics, make sure you don't stretch it. Once we have placed the elastics, stopping in the bow area and around the armhole, it's time to turn the top inside out. This is how the piece looks after we turn it. Now we only need to join the side seams and finish the area below the bust. First, we're going to open the front and back pieces and join them. Right sides together. I use 3 pins, one in the middle, one at the beginning and one at the end. Then we repeat this process on the other side, but leaving an opening of about 2 inches or 5 centimeters. This is how the sides look once they're sewn. On one side we left an opening and the other one it is fully sewn. As we want the swimsuit to be reversible, we are going to place the shoulder straps on the inside. Then we will sew these pieces right sides together, all along the bottom edge of the top as we did with the other pieces. Finally, we will attach the elastics, only from one dot to the other so we can leave the area of the knot or bow without elastic. The last step is turning the piece inside out through the opening we left on one side, and then close that opening. Now we only need to close the opening we left on one side. Use a tiny zigzag stitch. And here is the reversible top finish. Remember, you can purchase this pattern at sirenapatterns.com. The link is in the description. If you like this video, subscribe to Sirena Patterns.